What up? I'm Dylan Tull.
And I am Cole.
And we're eating the morning announcements.
Today is day 93, Wednesday, February 5th, 2014.
Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's menu: sweet potato breaded chicken tenders with choice of sauce, mashed potatoes, garlic pears, fresh fruit, and veggies.
Thursday's menu: hot dog bar, curly fries, homemade chili, sweet clean peaches, baked beans, and fruit and veggies.
Attention to all students attending the trip to Sunburst Thursday after school. It is going to be cold. You must bring snow pants, mittens or gloves, a hat, a face mask or scarf. If you have any hand or toe warmers, you should consider bringing those too. You will have a great time if you are prepared. Bring all of your supplies in a large bag and drop it off in Mrs. Casper's room before school. Don't forget to bring money so you can buy food and a hot chocolate to help you thaw out in between runs. Pick up your supplies after school on Thursday and meet in the cafeteria. See you there.
Due to the Olympic celebration day on Friday this week, the Student Council has been moved to Friday, February 21st in the 6th grade Shine Shop.
Student council members who signed up to work the Valentine's sale should check the schedule outside Mrs. Casper's room or in the cafeteria to make sure you know when you work. Kids are counting on you to be there to sell every day.
Next Technology Club meeting will be on Thursday, February 13th from 3:15 to 4:15 in the 3-5 lab. Bring ideas for this year's lip sync and how to promote our new club.
MMS student council members will be selling a variety of Valentines in the MMS cafeteria during lunch periods, February 3rd through February 13th. Stuffed Valentine critters with card, $3. Chocolate rose with card, $1. Large Valentine with heartsucker, $1. Scented pencils or smensels, $1. Small Valentine with heartsucker, 50 cents. Valentine students' purchase for sending will be delivered on Friday, February 18th or 14th.
Students in grades 6 through 8 interested in wrestling, please stop in the office to sign up. There will be an informational meeting in February 10th at 12:30 in the auditorium.
MMS Winter Celebration. Mayville Middle School will be hosting an all-day PBIS celebration on Friday, February 7th.
All staff and students will be participating in the Winter Olympic-themed activities with their Hero Buddy classes throughout the day. Most activities will be indoors, while some of them we may bring outside depending on the weather conditions.
Please have students come prepared with outdoor winter gear. Boots, snow pants, jackets, hats, and gloves. Thank you, MMS PBIS Celebration.
Committee.
And remember, make it a great day or not. The choice is yours.
And have
Have a nice day.